Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mahjong and Yakuza, like a dragon. To begin, your main goal is to form 4 sets and 1 pair from 14 tiles. Sets can be either 3 identical tiles, called a pung, or 3 consecutive tiles of the same suit, known as a chow. Familiarize yourself with the 3 main tile types: simples, honors, and dragons, as these are fundamental to building winning hands. As you draw and discard tiles, focus on creating your 4 sets and 1 pair. A pung is 3 of the same tile, like 3 5-bamboo tiles. A chow is 3 sequential tiles of the same suit, such as 1, 2, and 3 of characters. Once you are just 1 tile away from completing your hand, you can declare Riichi, which significantly boosts your potential score if you win. Scoring in Mahjong involves 2 main components, Han and Fu. Han represents the value of your hand patterns, while Fu relates to the specific tile combinations. Generally, a closed hand, meaning you haven't called pung or chow, yields more points. Always observe your opponent's discards carefully. This helps you avoid discarding a tile they need to win, a crucial defensive strategy. For advanced play, learn about Dora and Eurodora tiles, which act as bonus indicators to dramatically increase your score. Paying close attention to what your opponents discard can also give you clues about their potential winning hands, allowing you to play defensively and deny them a win. Remember, practice is key to mastering Mahjong. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.